We're going to review the Shur-Line deck and vent paint scrubber. Overall, it does an excellent job. You take a look at it. I've only gone through one and I'm doing a pretty large project. But overall, it does move. It unlocks. You can lock it so it's in one position, you can't move it. You can actually unlock it, move it and swivel it so you can get in those hard corners. I bought this fancy pole, which actually is pretty good because overall, you can actually just click the button, drops it all down. I'll give you a little example. A little bit of paint. Not much. Bam, bam. Come over here. Now, you don't have to scrub hard because at the end of the day, with it being more of like a spongy pad, it does cake inside the crevices, which is a pretty nice feature to have. I mean, I just did half of this and probably the time it would take me. But you can really see the difference. Overall, I'll just finish the paint just so it doesn't dry up. But my name's Kyle Melvin. Please look into the Shur-Line. Excellent product. You'll be happy with it. Like it, love it, subscribe to it.